Good day, I'm Adrian Atkinson and this is your JIS News for Monday, September 4, 2023. The government is moving quickly to respond to the housing needs of the large number of workers flocking to the resort areas in search of the growing tourism-related opportunities. That assurance comes from the Minister of Tourism, Edmund Bartlett. He was speaking at a town hall meeting held at the Harmony Beach Park in Montego Bay recently. Among 4,000 housing solutions being provided for tourism workers across the western side of Jamaica, Minister Bartlett points out that 800 units have already been provided in the Edmund Ridge area. Housing infrastructure have also been completed for 535 families in Grange Pen.
1,900 beneficiaries, and we bought 352 acres of greenfield land for 1,250 new houses to be built by the Housing Agency of Jamaica in that area. Also announced is Barrett Hall, 1,500 new units there. And already the Housing Trust is with Wiccan in doing 3,000 units in Estuary. Everybody remember Estuary? Of course, a number of you are here. And so with Barrett Hall, with Grange Pen, with Edmund Ridge, with Spot Valley, we will have the solutions.
The Tourism Enhancement Fund, TEF, has provided 50 state-of-the-art water tanks to farmers in Trelawney. The tanks, which include features for drip irrigation, were presented to the farmers on Saturday at the Ulster Spring football field in the parish. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says it's part of government's long-term policy to bring more ordinary Jamaicans into the tourism value chain. The donation is expected to increase farmers' access to water and ultimately boost agricultural production in the parish. Minister Bartlett says it is particularly timely as Trelawney is poised to become a major tourist destination for the country.
At the moment, there is more construction going on for hotel rooms in Trelawney and more to come. Right now, 700 new rooms are about to be completed in Falmouth with Rio. We have another one, Harmony Cove, that is ready now to break ground shortly. At least 1,000 new rooms there.
He stresses that as these developments drive more visitors to the parish, that will increase the demand for local food production.
We want to make the cars, the trucks, the pickup, the van, yes, and the trailer move from South Trelawney down into Falmouth and into Duncan's Bay and into Montego Bay and all over the place, supplying the food that the hotels require and the tourists eat.
Residents of the Maroon Town Division in St. James have been given assurance that a number of roads in the area will be rehabilitated. Minister of Local Government and Community Development Desmond McKenzie gave that assurance as he toured the Malden, Flagstaff and Maroon Town parochial roadways in southern St. James recently. He told residents that a technical team from the ministry would work in tandem with the St. James Municipal Corporation to do the necessary assessment.
We're not going to be able to physically deal with all the roads at the same time, but we are committing a significant amount of funding from the ministry through the Equalization Fund.
The Equalization Fund was created in 1997 and is financed by 10% of the money collected from property taxes island-wide. All the 13 municipal corporations are allocated a percentage of the funds to carry out critical infrastructure work in their various divisions. The Universal Service Fund, USF, is providing training in coding for 100 Jamaicans under its 2023 Technology Advancement Program TAP 3 Residential Coding Course. TAP is an initiative of the USF, the Heart and Estate Trust, and Amber Academy. 300 trainees are being targeted in all, 100 in the residential program and 200 who will commute to the various training centres across the island.
The program will help them to solve problems. They will develop programmatic skills and attitudes appropriate for professional programming. The training will be delivered through a hybrid learning environment with theoretical concepts taught virtually for 6 months and practical projects developed online or face-to-face with trainers for the remaining 6 months.
All trainees will be paid a weekly wage of $10,600. $2,000 of that amount will be set aside for a cumulative savings account that the students will have access to upon completion of the program. Minister of Education and Youth, Favour Williams, has praised the program, which she says will position the graduates to help improve systems such as healthcare, agricultural techniques, and the entertainment industry.
At the Ministry of Education and Youth, we fully support HEART on this program. We are doing our part as well to ensure that children coming out of the education sector are at least aware and have some contact with coding in terms of the Coding in School program that we started.
The minister was speaking at the opening ceremony for the third cohort in the residential course. And finally, Minister of Education and Youth Favour Williams says the new school year, which began today, will see a transformation that will shape the future of education. The minister made the statement during her back-to-school message on Sunday. She says the ministry has been working on methods to improve the learning experience.
Over the last several weeks, we have met with different stakeholders to plan and develop strategies for the best outcomes. Our recent strategic planning sessions with leaders across the ministry and its agencies helped to focus on the important pillars of transformation.
She adds that teachers and principals play an important part in the education transformation and will be provided with the tools and resources they need to set the groundwork for students to grow and thrive.
We are creating an environment where innovation and creativity thrive, where learning extends beyond textbooks to encompass the world around you. The skills you gain today will shape the future of Jamaica. We're here to support you every step of the way.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Adrian Atkinson. Thank you so much for watching.